screen recording is in process. I'm gonna go to a channel and I'll show you, because screen recording is in process. And here I can search Thinkwistic, that's my YouTube channel. And let's say I want to hide this information or highlight this information. So now I need to end the screen recording. All right, the screen recording has been ended. So at this part, I'm showing my channel and I want to hide or highlight this one. So first learn about highlighting. Here is your timeline. If you didn't update, then update Screen Studio and you will see masking option, shortcut and layout. Go to masking and here you will see mask. There are two options. One is sensitive information, that is to mask or hide the sensitive information, and this one is highlight. So we're gonna go for highlight right now and highlight this area. And now you got a window. Here is, if you want to dim the surrounding more, like this one, it will be highlighted like this one in a screen recorder. And here you can see the highlight area. If you want to drag it up to another segment, for example, like that, this is quite easy. So if you want to turn it into sensitive information, or want to add another sensitive area, just click on the plus icon here, and once again you need to go to sensitive or highlight. So this is, let's say, sensitive area, and here is the masking. Now I can mask and rescale this one to any place I like. For example, like this one, I don't want to show, maybe it's an email or bank detail, credit and debit card details. I don't want to show that part. Screen record. You see, whenever the playhead is here, you can see this is hidden, and you can hide any area like that. So place it anywhere, and if you want to highlight again, it will be highlighted. So just click on that one, and in both cases you can choose up to 100%. If you go further up to 90 or 100%, then the whole surrounding gonna be darker and the rest of the area gonna be lighter with the highlight options. But if you want to go for sensitive, then of course it's gonna be like that. And you can add them in multiple segments. There is one drawback that right now, for example, I want to highlight certain areas. For example, this area, and this area, 3 areas on a screen. You cannot do so. But if you want to highlight only one thing, then it's okay. But another drawback is whenever you scroll the screen, for example, I'm scrolling a page like that's my YouTube channel. And if I go back and up and down, I'm scrolling, then this will not follow for now because they are updating. It will take time because this is a new feature. Whenever you will scroll pages up and down, no matter it's a Word file or any other thing, then of course that will, this highlight or hiding sensitive information with a mask will follow scrolling as well. But for now it follows screen recording in and out. If you want to watch my detailed tutorial, 17 minutes tutorial is here, or you can also see in the description. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.